Drinking enough water daily is crucial for staying healthy and hydrated, especially in hot weather. While some prefer lukewarm water, others opt for ice-cold water. However, studies have shown that drinking chilled water may not be the best choice for your health. Dangers of drinking cold water. Let's check this video and find out 9 reasons why you shouldn't drink chilled or cold water. 1. It can make you fat. Some people believe that drinking chilled water can help fat burn, but unfortunately, this is not true. Drinking chilled water can make fat harder to burn, and calories remain as it is or become more challenging to burn naturally or after the workout. Even gym experts also suggest drinking lukewarm water after the workout. Try to avoid drinking cold water, especially after the meal. Moreover, you should wait for 20 to 30 minutes after the meal so it can digest or never appear into fatty components. 2. Provoke constipation. Constipation affects millions, and chilled water can worsen it. Cold water disrupts digestion, making things harder to move. If you're struggling, skip the chill and opt for room temperature or lukewarm water, especially in the morning, to ease constipation. 3. Affects digestion process. Cold water consumption can disrupt the body's natural nutrient absorption process. It contracts blood vessels, leading to stomach pain, nausea, and bloating, hindering digestion. The body's digestive system relies on maintaining proper temperature for efficient digestion. Opting for chilled beverages like soda shakes or cold drinks can exacerbate this issue, causing discomfort and requiring the body to work harder to maintain internal balance. 4. Affects heart rate. When it comes to the heart, you can't avoid the fact, and it becomes the other reason you shouldn't drink chilled water. Studies have shown that drinking chilled water directly affects the vagus nerve in the back neck area and slows down the heart rate. The vagus nerve is a vital part of the nervous system and controls various functions in the human body. 5. Throat discomfort. It is natural to feel a running nose and sinus blockage in the winter. And when you drink chilled water, the same condition appears as your body has to generate extra mucus to ingest the cold effects called the natural humidifier process of the body. When you drink chilled water, the body unnecessarily starts its process, and as a result, you feel a sore throat or cough due to extra mucus. 6. Headaches. Millions of people feel brain freezing after eating ice cream or drinking any chilled beverage, and drinking cold water can give you an intense headache as chilled water affects the spine nerves linked with the brain. 7. Lose energy. You may feel energetic and fresh after drinking chilled water, but this is only a momentary feeling because the truth is when you drink cold water, your body has to work more to maintain the body temperature. When your body works extra, you lose energy, and after some time, you feel lazy and lack energy. 8. Muscle cramps and pains. Drinking cold water can lead to a buildup of lactic acid in the muscles, which can cause cramps and other muscle pains. Your grandma might be onto something with her advice to start the day with lukewarm water. It has numerous benefits that counter the drawbacks of chilled water. Room temperature water is fine too, but steer clear of the ice-cold variety. Even on hot days, prioritize your health. Opt for fresh fruits, juices, or coconut water for a refreshing and cool alternative. We hope the dangers of drinking cold water will be helpful for you and you will share it with your friends so they can also know about the information. Stay healthy and happy, share your experience and reviews with us, and stay connected with us for more details.